Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this video lesson, we will look at another aspect of Romanian grammar. Hai să începem. Let's start. The positive degree denotes the quality in itself without any comparison. For example, the adjective frumos, frumos, beautiful. The feminine form of beautiful, frumoasă, frumoasă. Positive degree, frumoasă, frumoasă. And that's the end of another Romanian language lesson. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Ciao! This is Mihnea, signing off from Beijing.